I'm giving Dina in One Night Only vibes, right? I thought so. I think so? I can't remember. It's giving Donna Summer. It's giving Diana Ross. It's giving Studio 54. Today, we are going to be talking about this wig right here. This is the UNICE wig. I don't even know what it's called. It's like a Jerry Curly 5x5 transparent unit. This is the UNICE Hair 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Transparent lace frontal wig pre-plucked curly human hair wigs for women. That's what it says on this thing. Anyway, I got this wig. Y'all have seen this wig everywhere if you're a wig enthusiast. On Instagram, like, listen, they try to get you, and I finally got it. So I'm going to give you a little review. I'm gonna show you how I got the hair to look this big and curly, okay? So if you guys wanna see that, stay tuned. But before we go, please, please, please be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that you could be a part of the most glamorous, the most fabulous community here on YouTube, okay? And be a part of the Glam Fam. I got a lot of great content coming up, and I got a lot of great content to come. So be sure to do that while the intro is playing, and I will see you guys in a few. Guys, so we are here. I feel like I look like a drag queen right now, but that's okay. I love them. They're queens, right? Anyway, we are here to discuss my new wig, okay? Y'all know, if you've been here for a while, every year for my birthday, I buy myself a wig, and I usually customize it. I'm not customizing this one because this is the wig, okay? This is the wig. And if you wanted it customized, you could have bought it customized, but I just wanted a plain black, you know, little something, right? If you are a wig enthusiast like I am, I know that you have seen this advert.
Do y'all see this hair? Look at that. Don't buy me, buy wig, girl. Yes.
Baby, from the moment I saw that wig, I was like, I need that. I need that. And I was like, it's always too expensive. I'm not going to buy it because it's so expensive. So this year, I just finally buckled down and was like, you know what? I'm gonna get this wig for my birthday. It's gonna be mine, finally. First of all, I am Amira. I am Samira. I don't ever remember if there's an S in there or not, but she knows how to sell a wig, okay? If it's a wig that's on her head and she put it on a page, I'm gonna be looking at it because she got good wig taste, okay? Especially with curly hair. So I bought this wig from the UNICE store on AliExpress. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It was 22 inches, 180% density, and I paid $191.94 for it. With tax, that came up to $204.12. I placed the order on September 15th, and it came in on, I don't remember when it was delivered. It had a 7-day delivery, so it was delivered within that 7-day frame. So it came in this UNICE box, which was just in like a regular like white mail or whatever. It came with a wig cap. It also came with, I don't know what this is. I didn't open it. But it came with a lace layer downer. I got me some lashes. And I got this brush. I don't know what this brush for either. Inside the box, it came in this little mesh bag. And then it came like packaged up with like the hairnet and then this stuff in it and all that. But I took it out because I could not wait. Like I was trying to wait to be, but I had like literally I've had this wig for like 3 weeks. And I was like, I can't wait no more. I need to look at it. Let's get to the fun stuff, which is the actual wig. So here she is. Super cute, right? Super cute. Look at this curl pattern. Look at the curls. Look at the curls. Curls. Curls for the girls, okay? So cute. Anyway, it comes with this HD lace, but look how see-through that lace is. Looks pretty good, right? And it's a 5x5 closure, right? So we have more parting space. And then we have the 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. Is there another comb? Nope, that's 3 combs. And then we have these bra straps in the back, the adjustable straps. Let's see how it looks when we first put it on, and then we're going to style it. Right, so here's how she looks fresh out the pack. The curls have just been like finger combed through. Nothing has been done with them. They haven't been wet or anything. They're just kind of like hair chilling, right? So what I'm gonna do now is we're going to make this look a little bit less wiggy. So I'm gonna be using my Wig Dealer lace cutters to cut the lace off this wig. I'm going to be using the Wig Dealer Lace Bonding Gel because I like the way that it comes out. Like it's like a little, and then that's that. So let's use a little bit of that. Okay, so we gotta start low. Now y'all know that I'm not good at frontals, so I got this wig in a closure. And I got it in a 5x5 closure so I'll have more parting space. Because I think that that would be the best. Now let's get you situated down here like that. We're going to press you in like that. Now I'm going to hold it down with the wig thing. Okay. All right. Cool, cool, cool. And now, what we're going to do, that I've seen the people do, take the hot comb and hot comb it back and then pluck some of the wig hair in the front because we want this to be giving scalp. Just a thin layer in the front. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I'm getting it. This looks right. I don't know if it is right, but it looks right. Now that we've done that, we're gonna go in with our wax stick and wax down the middle and the back so that it can lay flat in some places and it doesn't look too wiggy, you know? One of the most important parts is to get the curls looking good, right? Take this mist it down, and then brush it through. Here it is, all saturated, looking really cute, right? Right. All right, so next step is the mousse because we want it to kind of stay curly. I don't know how much mousse, honestly. I just don't want it to be crunchy. Maybe you just gotta get mousse that doesn't make hair crunchy. I have no idea. So the last part for the loose hair is to diffuse it, okay? So we're gonna try this. So that looks pretty good. So let's take off this and see what's happening under here. Honestly, if I didn't have on the wig cap, the lace would look really, really good. I feel like the wig cap makes it noticeable, you know? And I also feel like I need to shape it to my face, right? So like, let's see if this came up here like that. Like this, you know? You see? You see the difference? Okay, so let's do a little bit of that. I'm so scared. Once you cut, you can't come back from cutting. So you just take off a little bit at a time. All right, here it is. How do you think I did? Does it look good? I feel like it don't look like Samira's. Amira's? I don't know her name. I'm sorry, girl. I should have done my research before I butchered your name on here. I apologize, girl. Charge it to my head and not my heart. I will go in and bleach the knots and you know, maybe tint the lace too. I don't know. I have lace tinting spray. But I think, like, as of right now, this looks really good. Like, the curls aren't as clumped as I would like them to be. I don't think they're as clumped as the advertisement, but it still looks really good. I'm really happy with this. This is the kind of big hair that I live for. Yes, girl. So let me know how you like this wig. Let me know if you would buy it, if you'd purchase it. The links for everything that I used will be below in the description box. If it's from Amazon, it will be an affiliate link, but everything else, I mean, I purchased everything here with my own money. So sound off in the comments. Tell me what you think. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for sticking with me as I fumbled my way through this wig. Hope you guys liked it. The last wig video I put up was for my birthday last year, and everybody was like, why didn't you put it on? So I put it on today. Let me know if you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Liking this video is the easiest and the least expensive way to support this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on all major platforms at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.